Hello, welcome to another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how can we show content only to users who are registered. So what we're going to do is we're going to show the introduction content as a teaser to allow people to get an idea of what the content is, and they're going to actually, to click read more, they're going to have to register. So here's our blog, and we've got one which says register to read more. So if we look at this one, absolutely fine, they can read it. But some content, specifically this one, you would have to register to read it. And the read more says register to read more. So I'll show you how I did that. So first things first, you're going into articles and you go into the options. And then you've got this option, show unauthorized links. So that's the first thing, set that to yes. Now that I've done that, you have to make sure that one of your articles, you change the access to registered instead of public. Or don't have to be one, could be many. Could even change a category. So let's give that a go. What was random in? Random's in blog. So let's change a different category. Let's do theme features and let's make that one registered and see what happens with that. Let's just check what articles are in that. Theme. And then let's get rid of the random. So we're looking for one of these really. That's not going to be there. This is terrible, really. I should have to create another menu item. Whoops. And then articles, category blog, theme. Let's just save and close. Refresh. Theme. Not authorized to view it. Okay. Ignore that. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, wrong. So now you can see that anything that has a registered God damn it. So now you can see that anything that has access level of registered, you'll be forced to register to read more. So in fact, you can have a website where you have different types of content where some is free, some requires you to be registered. If you now think about it and you combine that with a membership plugin where you have to pay membership and then the registered people will have to be members, then potentially you can start charging people for content. So if you've got a real high value site, probably not this one in particular, where you've got a lot of information and you put a lot of work into it, then there's an option for you to charge people. And realistically, if you're just getting them to register, you can just use the core of Joomla for that. And if you want them to pay, then just get a membership component, and that's not going to cost you a whole lot of money. I hope you found this helpful. I'll be getting on with more tutorials soon. Please subscribe. It really helps if you comment and tell me if you like the tutorials. Thanks, bye.